You are tired, you have no drive, you look in the mirror and feel like a shadow of who you used to be. Then you see the solution online, TRT, testosterone replacement therapy. It is marketed as the fountain of youth, a simple injection that gives you the energy, the muscle, and the confidence of a 20-year-old. And for many men, it does exactly that. But there is a biological cost that nobody talks about until it is too late. When you take that first injection, you aren't just topping up your levels, you are signing a contract with your own biology. Here is what actually happens to your body in the first 30 days. Week 1. The flood. In a natural, healthy body, testosterone is released in pulses. It follows a rhythm. It rises in the morning and falls at night. When you inject synthetic testosterone, you bypass that rhythm entirely. You flood the system. Within 24 to 48 hours, your testosterone levels skyrocket to the top of the reference range, or often far above it. This is the honeymoon phase. You might feel a sudden surge of dopamine. Your libido wakes up. You feel a level of aggression and drive you haven't felt in years. Water retention increases as your muscles fill up with glycogen. But while you are enjoying the ride, your brain is panicking. Week 2. The signal cut. This is the mechanism you need to understand. It is called the negative feedback loop. Think of your body like a house with a thermostat, your brain, and a furnace, your testes. Normally, when the house gets cold, the thermostat sends a signal to the furnace to turn on. That signal is a hormone called LH, luteinizing hormone. But now you have brought in a massive space heater, the injection. The house is hot. The thermostat detects the heat and thinks, "It is scorching in here, turn off the furnace." Your brain immediately stops producing LH. It cuts the signal wire. Week 3. The factory shutdown. By week 3, the consequences of that cut signal begin. Because your brain is no longer sending the order to produce testosterone, your natural factories, the Leydig cells in your testes, stop working. They go dormant. This is where the physical reality sets in. Without the signal to work, the cells begin to atrophy. They shrink. This is why testicular shrinkage is the most common side effect of TRT. It isn't just cosmetic, it is a sign that your internal machinery has been decommissioned. You are no longer a producer, you are an importer. Day 30. The trap. By day 30, you feel fantastic. Your strength is up, your recovery is faster, your mood is stabilized. But biologically, you are in a precarious position. Your natural testosterone production is now effectively zero. Your LH and FSH levels have flatlined. You are 100% dependent on the needle. If you were to stop today, you wouldn't just go back to normal, you would crash. Because your own factory has been shut down for weeks, it would take months to restart. You would drop from Superman to zero overnight. The verdict? TRT is a medical miracle for those who truly need it, but do not confuse it with a supplement. It is not a booster. It is a replacement. You are trading your fluctuating natural production for a stable, high-performance, lifetime subscription. Just make sure you're ready to pay the monthly fee forever. Subscribe for more science that fixes your biology.